Good day everyone. The title of this final term project is Emotional versus Behavioral Loyalty, Insights from Customer Service. We are Group 11. I am Danielo Jadlagman together with MK Lucky Cruz, Jan Michelson Calayag, and Julius Ogriman. To begin with, our study looks into how customer service impacts two different kinds of loyalty, the emotional and the behavioral. These forms of loyalty play a crucial role in the shaping of long-term relationships with the customers, which in turn affect a company's success, brand image, and overall profitability. Now, to understand loyalty better, it's important to break it down. Emotional loyalty is when customers feel genuinely connected to a brand, while behavioral loyalty is simply making a repeat purchase. Although both types involve returning customers, emotional loyalty tends to create much deeper bonds that last longer. Moreover, customer service has become one of the strongest drivers of loyalty in today's market. And according to the study of Deloitte in 2022, companies that focus on customer experience can earn up to 60% more profit than those that don't. Similarly, according to PwC 2018, they found that 73% of consumers say a good experience heavily influences their loyalty. So, these findings show how emotional loyalty often turns customers into advocates, while behavioral loyalty can quickly fade when better deals come along. With this in mind, our study aims to answer the question, how does customer service influence emotional versus behavioral loyalty? We want to discover what kind of service leads to long-term connections and where loyalty based purely on habits might fall short. To guide our research, we set four main objectives. First, to clearly define emotional and behavioral loyalty. Next, to explore how customer service influences each. Then, to identify service strategies that truly build emotional loyalty. And lastly, to highlight business cases that demonstrate strong loyalty outcomes. Understanding the difference between these two types of loyalty is essential because loyal customers bring more value, recommend brands more often, and are harder to win back once lost. Emotional loyalty, while harder to build, is far more powerful. This study helps businesses realize that it's not just about getting customers to come back, but it is about making them want to stay. Here's how the project is structured. Chapter 1 introduces the topic and its relevance. Chapter 2 explains the key concepts and theories. Chapter 3 covers how we gather data through surveys. And Chapter 4 discusses our findings, ending with real suggestions businesses can apply to build stronger customer loyalty. Finally, this project wouldn't be possible without the efforts of each group member. We made sure to divide the work to cover every important part of the study. I am Danielo Jadlagman, who wrote Chapter 1 and introduced the topic, explained its purpose and objectives, and outlined the structure of the entire study. MK Lucky Cruz was in charge of Chapter 2, where he explained the key concepts, definitions, theories related to the customer loyalty. Julius Ogriman handled Chapter 3, gathering and presenting the data through surveys and analysis. Jan Michelson Calayag completed Chapter 4, where he summarized our findings and gave helpful recommendations for businesses.
Now let's proceed to the introduction of Chapter 2. So this part of the research looks at what others experts have said about emotional and behavioral loyalty in customer service. It explains what these two types of loyalty mean, how they are different, and why they are important. Emotional loyalty is about how customers feel, while behavioral loyalty is about what they do, like buying again. The chapter also shows what has already been studied, what's still missing, and how this helps guide the rest of the research. So now let's proceed to the definition and key terms and concepts. So the first one is the customer loyalty. It means customer keeps choosing the same brand over time. And there are two types. The first one is the emotional loyalty. It is when customers stay because they really like and trust the brand. And the behavioral loyalty is when they keep buying from the brand out of habit, convenience, or because of rewards, not necessarily because they feel connected. So now let's proceed to our theoretical framework. This research uses different theories to understand customer loyalty. So Oliver's model shows that loyalty starts with thinking, then feeling, and finally acting loyal. And then the commitment trust theory says trust and commitment helps build the emotional loyalty in customer relationships. So the next one is the attitude behavior gap. It explains why people might feel loyal but not always act on it. And the next one is the service profit chain. It shows that good service leads to happy customers and stronger loyalty, especially when there's an emotional connection. So now let's proceed to the reviews of related studies. So study shows that customers become loyal in two ways, emotionally and through habits. So in emotional loyalty, it happens when customers feel happy, connected, and valued by the brand. And the next one is the behavioral loyalty. It happens when they keep buying because it's easy, familiar, or they get rewards. And the next one is the emotional loyalty. It often comes first and can lead to repeated buying, trust, and good service, and make this even stronger. So now let's proceed to the description of challenges, opportunities, and trends. So the first one is the challenge. It's tough to measure emotional loyalty because it's based on feelings, while repeat purchases are easier to track. And the next one is the opportunity. By being more empathetic and personal in service, businesses can create stronger emotional connection with the customers. So the next one is the trend. More businesses are focusing on giving customers a memorable experience rather than just selling the products. So now let's proceed to our conceptual frameworks. The first one is the independent variable, which is the customer service quality. So this refers to the overall quality of customer service that the businesses provide. It includes how helpful, polite, and efficient the staff are, as well as how well the business meets customer needs. The better the customer service, and the more it influences customers' loyalty. And the next one is the mediators. So there are the factors that influence how customer service quality affects loyalty. First one is the emotional loyalty. So this is based on how customers feel about a brand. It's influenced by things like satisfaction, which is how happy the customer is, and the trust. It's how the customer believes the brand will keep promises. And the next one is the emotional connection, the feelings that the customer has toward the brand. So the next one is the behavioral loyalty. So this is about repeat purchases or action. It shapes by habit, buying the same products out of routine. So the next one is the convenience. It's easy to buy or use the service. And loyalty programs, it rewards or benefits the encourage repeated purchases. So the next one is the dependent variables. It is the emotional and behavioral loyalty. So these are the outcomes of good customer service. The first one is the emotional loyalty, when customers feel attached to the brand, and the behavioral loyalty is when customers continue to buy or use the brand regularly. And the next one is the moderator. So the service channels and demographics. So service channels, whether customers use digital channels like online chat or apps, or traditional channels like in-store or phone service, can affect how they experience customer service and how loyal they become. And the last one is the demographics, things like age, income, culture, and other personal factors can change how customers respond to service and their loyalty. So, in conclusion, emotional loyalty, which comes from the trust and attachment, helps keep customers engaged long term, while behavioral loyalty based on repeat purchases can happen without emotional connection. Behavioral loyalty is easier to track but doesn't predict customer loyalty as well as emotional loyalty. Good customer service with empathy, personalization, and problem solving is important for building both types of loyalty and plays a key role in keeping customers loyal to a brand.